Okay, so we're going to attempt to engrave a logo on the back of these three boards. These boards are just sitting here. I do have the laser properly focused, 1/4 inch off of the material. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a logo on. We're making an Adirondack chair, and we're going to add a logo to the back of the chair, just kind of for fun, just to try it out. Now these boards, this is just fence picket material, so I've got about $4 worth of boards here, so if we mess up, it's not the end of the world, but I think we'll be okay. I have done quite a bit of engraving on fence pickets. I am playing with my settings a little bit. So in this particular logo, we're going to do 60 millimeters a minute, and we are going to do at 80% power. And I think that'll give us a nice engrave. So we'll go ahead and get this laser fired up and let it do its thing. Laser's just finishing up the KC logo here, and then we'll go put it on our chair and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So there is our completed Adirondack chair with our custom laser engraved KC logo. So it turned out pretty nice. So I hope it inspires you to maybe try some things out that you hadn't tried out previously for your own projects. Thanks for watching.